Hey guys, my name is Rakesh and you are watching RK Solution. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can add your signature in your document. So without the further delay, let's start our video. Guys, in this video, we are going to learn how we can add our signature like this. You can see I have added this Rajveer Gill signature in this document. Guys, firstly you need to do your signature on white paper. After that you need to click the image of your signature, then crop this image according to your signature size. You are able to do crop by using your mobile phone also or desktop. First of all, we open our Microsoft Word. So here in my case guys, I have taken one sample application letter. This is a sample application letter. I have found this sample application letter from Google. In your case, you can use your document or whatever you want to use. Guys, we can add our signature in our document with two ways. So first way is that firstly we need to open our Google Chrome. Then we need to type here BZ remove. After that we need to click on the first link. Then you can see remove BG website is open now. And after that we need to click this upload image button, and then here we need to select our signature. Here you can update any of the image and they remove background of your image. So in our case you can see we uploaded our signature image, then they remove the background of signature image. So after that we need to download this image, and you can see image is downloaded. And then again we open our Office. After that we need to click on this insert button, picture, and then this device, and then download, and then you can see our image is showing here. So guys, you can see our image is successfully import. Guys, you can see in my case they required some crop, so we performing crop operation on that image. Guys, you can see our image is perfectly cropped now. Then we start decreasing the size of the signature according to our requirement. Let me decrease the size of this image. After that we need to click on this wrap text and then in front of text. So we are able to move our image, and now you can see we can move our image randomly on any of the position, and then we move our image here. Guys, here you can see in my case signature size is big, so we decrease the size of this signature. Guys, you can see our signature is perfectly fitted in our Microsoft Office document. This is the first way. When we talking about the second way, so firstly I'm going to delete this image. Again we need to click on this insert button and then picture, then we click on the signature. Guys, you can see this time we have a signature with some background. So first of all we need to crop this image. After that we need to select this picture, and then we click on this arrow button, and you can see format picture panel is showing now. And after that we click on this picture correction, and then we click on preset. Here we select this last image. After that we increase the brightness of this picture. Now guys, you can see signature picture background is perfectly matched with Microsoft Office document background. Now we need to increase the little bit sharpness so our text will perfectly visible. You can see our image is perfectly visible now, and the signature background is perfectly matched with Microsoft Office document background. Then we close this format picture panel. After that we need to select this image again. We start decreasing the size of the signature according to our requirement. Click on this wrap text button and then in front of text. Now you can see we are able to move this signature. I'll paste my signature here. Again we start decreasing the size of image. Guys, if your image is placed above of any text, then you need to select this image, then click on format picture, then backward arrow button, and then click on send behind text. Guys, in my case you can see image is required rotate operation, so I'll rotate this image. and then move this image. Now guys, you can see our signature is perfectly fitted right now in our Office document. Now you can convert this Word file in image or in PDF, whatever you want. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you think this video is really helpful for you, then please do subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.